Okay, trade focus for the week of 23rd March to 27 March. So we're starting with the calendar. So calendar is Monday is no major news. Tuesday is okay. Tuesday is very good, tradable, maybe market way active. Wednesday have to be need to be careful for Aussie 200. So 8:30 a.m. Aussie 200 maybe CPI will be a bit of volatile. So if we have to wait and see for what is the setup present from the market and careful to this 8:30 news. For UK 100 is the London session have to be careful with market London market open is maybe this CPI will be just affect on the UK 100. So it's a Wednesday Aussie 200 and UK 100. So Aussie and UK have to be on the Wednesday some news. Then other than that, no. It's for Nasdaq and the S&P 500, no major news to look out. But as of recent, the war, Iran and the US war, so it's very unpredictable due to the oil price also volatility. So for the US market, have to be carefully and watch on the what the market is present the setup. Okay, let's take a look at the chart. Okay, I will start with the S&P 500. What we have is recently. Okay, we go to a higher time frame first. So it's in this daily time frame. Basically, I'm more towards to the bearish side. So I prefer for coming this week, all the indices are looking for sell setup instead of buy. So market is for me, the market sentiment is bearish. So I only looking for sell setup. Okay, so S&P 500 is this is daily chart. So last week the present is recently created the daily gap. So this is the highest resistance. Then what happened is the market is this is a weekly swing. So market break below the weekly swing. So it's very clearly sign the market direction is going to next level of the monthly gap. So that's why I mark out this sell zone. So if let's say it's this week market open and market really coming down, I interested to sell within this zone. Okay, so let's go to for 4 hour chart. Okay, 4 hour chart is what it looks like. So it's this is a Friday close. So Friday close, this market is rejecting. So let's see is a Monday and Tuesday. How is the rejection? This rejection will be go further until because here got some 4 hour gap. So I'm more concerned on this daily gap. Market can be retraced up to here. This is one possibility. So market retrace to this daily gap and daily gap will be reject. So this is one option. Or maybe it's a Monday or Tuesday market open only. Maybe market sideways around below this weekly swing level. Then suddenly maybe market will be drop all the way to this. So I will be monitoring this zone. So this level is for me is important. I want to see market wise next maybe next drop how to react this low. If really this low cannot hold for me, it's very easily direction is from this zone is really next the monthly gap. So this is for S&P 500. And let's take a look at the Nasdaq. So because Nasdaq and the S&P 500 is quite close, but only one thing to Nasdaq is we can go and take a look at the weekly chart. Start from the weekly chart. So what I want to show you weekly chart is this weekly rejection level. So this is our previous weekly swing. So weekly swing already the last week. Last week this weekly swing already rejected. This is the one that the week before. So that's why I already mark out for weekly rejection low based on this week, 9th of March. Then last week clearly market is did not not respect this level. Even the market closed below. So it's meaning like to me it's really market is bearish, but only we need to wait how much market can be retraced before going to next monthly gap. So only difference from the S&P 500 and Nasdaq is already clearly defined the rejection low level. So that's why for me it's easily can go in. Okay, again the daily chart. This is the one because not like Nasdaq. I mean then not like ES, no daily gap yet. So it's possibly this candle will be creating the potential future daily gap based on the Monday candle. So Monday candle how is react. So Monday candle not be reacting a lot, then maybe this is the potential daily gap. So ES is S&P 500 already formed the daily gap, right? So this one is only potential, but for me it stay be the same because this market close below rejection weekly rejection low for me is quite clear. Market direction is to next monthly gap level. Okay, so for our chart is similar to S&P and Nasdaq. So I'm interested to take a look monitoring this low. This is a Friday close low. So Friday low, how is reaction? So this is my sell zone. Buy zone, I just put it there, but I don't think the market will be react, but its market can be come back and test to this level. Then after that reject. So this is also possible because market can be retraced up to here. So I don't think this buy zone is may not be work out. So I'm not interested to buy. I only monitoring for this sell zone. Okay, so this is for S&P 500 and Nasdaq. So most likely I will be selling on the Nasdaq. Depends on the what is the setup appear. Okay, let's go to Aussie 200. Aussie 200 is very clearly is a very bearish side, but for me I didn't draw any sell zone yet because I want to monitor. Because last week from this rejection low to this level is this sell zone is already completed. So this is previously the last week sell zone, so it's completed. So now I have to monitoring this zone, but no rejection yet. So okay, slightly go up to higher time frame like daily. So we don't take look at this region because this one very because of the market is bearish. So this is for very high resistance. I don't take a look at this one first. Mostly I focus on this. So what is the support like below what is the market potential level is 2 weekly gap is here. So this is a daily swing. So I'm monitoring on this daily swing. I want to see Monday or Tuesday market will come reject. So first I want to see reject from this daily swing. Then after that I decide this after that market reject. Then from that rejection daily rejection low to this is the this weekly gap is my sell zone. So that's why now I don't draw a sell zone yet because I want to see how is reaction on this daily swing. So for likely market potential retrace, market potentially can be retraced to this 4 hour gap. This is the high chance because this is like previous the monthly rejection low level. So market possibility is the number one, go to this zone from reject the drop from this zone, or this zone is cannot hold because above got higher time frame than daily gap. So market will go retrace up to here, then drop. But this one not likely, very low, not even 50%. But this one is more like 70-80% market can be retest to this zone and drop. So my focus is want to see this level. So how is this level reaction? This daily swing come to reject, come to here, daily swing reject a bit. Then after that we drop. So that is a drop that I'm interested to participate to this sell. So as of today, I don't draw any sell zone yet because I want to see the rejection. Okay, then lastly we go to UK 100. Okay, don't take look at the buy zone. This is the same as the last week. So unlikely, very low. 10%, 20% market will not be. So mostly we focus on the downside. Okay, so same thing. I have below is a monthly gap. This is a rejection low. I show you where is rejection low. This is the rejection. I mean, this is my weekly gap. So this weekly gap, the market come in, reject, and then close around here. So it's outside of the around there, the zone close. So I take it this is weekly rejection low. That's why my sell zone is already defined. From here to here is my interested to sell. Another important level in the weekly chart, this is the one I want to show you, is this is the level is very important because in weekly chart you can see that market go up, then retrace back to here, then after that market go all the way up here. So for me, this is the fair value area for the weekly time zone. So market here go up and come down. Here is totally this area is buyer and seller is already fair. So it's meaning that market really want to go down, right? No reason to come above this level, weekly area level. So that's why I'm monitoring this level very carefully because market should not go back above this. If really market is bearish, so that's why I put the one here, the daily gap, and here go overlapping with the 4 hour gap. Later I will go down to 4 hour. So for this daily chart level, very clear sell zone I draw define is this. If really market close in this zone, so I will go down to 1 hour time frame and see how is the sell opportunity appear. So as of today, the potential retrace market can be retraced. This is the very high potentially retrace to this zone, 80 to 90%, above 75% confirm. This one 50%. So market can be retraced and this zone reject to drop, or market retrace up to this daily gap and drop. So it's I'm waiting for this zone is because this is very high probability. If really break below this weekly rejection lows, is market really direction is very clear to the next level of some monthly gap. Okay, so that's all for this week focus. So all the indices I'm looking to sell for coming week.